A is for airplane. A is for axe. A is for apple. B is for ball. B is for boy. B is for bus. C is for cat. C is for camel. C is for cow.
C.
D is for dog. D is for deer. D is for duck.
D.
E is for egg. E is for elephant. E is for eye.
E. E.
F is for fish.
F.
F is for frog.
F.
F is for fruits. G is for goat.
G.
G is for girl. G is for grapes.
G.
H is for hen.
H.
H is for horse. H is for house.
H. H.
I is for ink. I is for ice cream. I is for igloo.
I.
J is for jam. J is for jeep. J is for jelly.
J.
K is for king. K is for key. K is for kite.
K.
L is for lion. L is for lamp. L is for leaf.
L.
M is for monkey. M is for moon. M is for mouse.
M.
N is for nest. N is for net. N is for nose.
N.
O is for owl. P is for pen. P is for penguin. P is for plant.
P. P.
Q is for queen. Q is for quill. R is for rose. R is for rabbit. R is for rainbow.
R.
S is for sun. S is for sheep. S is for snake.
S.
T is for tap. T is for tiger. T is for tortoise.
T.
U is for umbrella. U is for unicycle. U is for uniform. V is for van. V is for vase. V is for violin.
V.
W is for watch. W is for wall. W is for wheel.
W.
X is for xylophone. X is for X-mastery. X is for X-ray.
X.
Y is for yak. Y is for yarn. Y is for yatch.
Y.
Z is for zebra. Z is for zoo. Z is for zipper. Right answer. A is for apple. B is for. Right answer. B is for ball. C is for. Right answer. C is for cat. D is for. Right answer. D is for dog. E is for. Right answer. E is for egg. F is for. Right answer. F is for fish. G is for. Right answer. G is for girl. H is for. Right answer. H is for hen. I is for. Right answer. I is for ink. J is for. Right answer. J is for jam. K is for. Right answer. K is for king. L is for. Right answer. L is for lion. M is for. Right answer. M is for monkey. N is for. Right answer. N is for nest. O is for. Right answer. O is for owl. P is for. Right answer. P is for pen. Q is for. Right answer. Q is for queen. R is for. Right answer. R is for rose. S is for. Right answer. S is for sun. T is for. Right answer. T is for tap. U is for. Right answer. U is for umbrella. V is for. No, try again. No, try again. Right answer. V is for van. W is for. Right answer. W is for watch. X is for. Right answer. X is for xylophone. Y is for. Right answer. Y is for yak. Z is for. Right answer. Z is for zebra. A is for. Right answer. A is for apple.